Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Aftab Ahmed, teacher GMS Kandi Payeen. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about force. The topic which we are studying from last 2 or 3 days, force. A force can change the state of motion. Force can change the state of motion. If the force applied on the object is in the direction of its motion, the speed of the object increases, and if the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then it results in a decrease in the speed of the object. So here we can say that force can change the state of motion. Force can state the change of motion in the direction of motion. If we apply speed in the opposite direction, the force decreases. So we can also say that force can change the speed of an object. So here what is the state of motion? What is state of motion? The state of motion of an object is described by its speed and the direction of the motion. The state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed. An object may be at rest or in motion. Both are its state of motion. When an object in a rest or in speed or in motion, both its states are states of motion. So the next point is force can also change the shape of object. When we apply force on an object, it may change its shape. When we apply force on certain objects such as plastics, rubbers, it may change the shape of the object. Thus we can say that an object cannot move by itself. It cannot change its speed itself. It cannot change its direction itself. And it cannot change by itself. It cannot change its shape by itself. All these changes happens due to force. When we apply force on objects, it can change its state, its speeds, its motion. So force, lastly you can say what is force? Force to pull or to push in objects. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you.